Oh no! So this is the end result, guys. Whoa! Don't do this at home, guys, kasi ang baho niya. So, you have taken the step to protect your eyes by investing in some blue blocking glasses, or for some, nagpaplano pa lang silang bumili. However, many of you are concerned if the glasses sold online, especially on Lazada and ChaBi, are really legit, and if it could really protect your eyes, and kung maganda ba yung quality nito. Kasi nga naman, iba-iba yung price range na makikita nyo online. Merong sobrang mura, meron naman sobrang mahal. So, ano ba talaga yung difference nilang lahat? So, if that is your concern, then this video is perfect for you because we are going to test out the glasses that are found on Lazada. So, marami kaming nabiling glasses. Budol is real in the YouTube world, guys. So, yun. We are going to test out the quality of these lenses using a microwave kit. Using that one. So, if you're interested, then let's take a look. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Gen and I'm here to help you take good care of your eyes and your vision. So if you're new here to our channel and you want to learn more about the eyes and your vision, then please do click the subscribe button down below so you won't miss any of our future videos like this one. So first things first, can this kit really check the quality of your blue coated glasses, or is this just a marketing hype or a marketing tactic? Okay, the one instrument that could really measure the quality of your lenses is a spectral analyzer, which usually costs around $10,000. This kit, guys, could not really check kung legit ba yung coating ng lenses nyo or not because this emits violet light. And the light that is being emitted by your computer is called the blue light. So when we talk about blue light, the blue light ranges from 380 nanometers up to 500 nanometers. And when you cut it in half from the 450 nanometers to 380 nanometers, this is what we call as the high energy visible blue light that is harmful for the eyes. And according to some researchers, it could actually damage the retina or yung ugat natin sa likod ng mata. But this is highly debatable yet kung talaga bang nasisira yung eyes mo dun sa computer screen natin. Sa computer screens natin, it emits around 415 to 455 nanometers of blue light. So sa blue light din natin, meron tayong tinatawag na good blue light and the bad blue light. So, in a blue blocking glasses, hindi dapat lahat ng blue light binablock mo. Only at least 30% of the bad blue light yung kailangan mong i-filter out. Disclaimer lang, guys, this video is made because this is one of the most requested videos in our channel, and this video is not made to harm any of the shops. Hindi namin sinisiraan yung shops. We are doing this for public advisory, and at the same time, this is an experiment and hindi din namin alam kung ano yung kalalabasan ng video na ito. So the first part of this video is a subjective review. So ibig sabihin, based dun sa quality ng frame na makikita natin with our eyes and the quality of the lenses, we are going to do an honest review about it. And the second part is the experimentation. So sa experimentation natin, may two parts din siya. One is the sound check. Titingnan natin, pag hinulog natin yung lens, ano yung magiging tunog niya. Dun kasi magkaka-idea tayo what type of plastic yung ginamit dun sa lenses natin. And the second part of the experimentation is i-undergo natin yung lenses natin under the microwave heat. So, bakit microwave? According to this study kasi, the microwave heat could actually form cataract in our lenses. So, ibig sabihin, mape-penetrate nga yung eyes natin. So, gagamitin din natin yung same form of energy to test out the quality of the lenses kung talaga bang mapoprotect niya yung eyes natin from this high energy wavelengths. Anyways, let's get on with the subjective review of our blue-coated eyeglasses. So, first off, we have from Baobab Eyewear. I got this for 349 pesos. So, ito yung package niya. So, meron siyang soft case. Inside, there is a microfiber. With the feel of the microfiber, I don't recommend using this one kasi medyo magaspang siya. So, with the type of cloth, baka magasgas ng lens pag ito yung ginamit natin na pang wipe ng lenses. Ano pa ba meron? So, they have this card as well. So, this is from Baobab. And, meron din siyang blue light. Pero medyo mahina yung light niya. Anyway, let's review the frame. So, this is how it looks, guys. Then, ito yung sides natin. So, yung frame niya, this is acetate plastic. Then, dito, this is definitely not stainless steel. So, kung maririnig nyo, kapag acidic kayo guys, I don't really recommend using this type of frame kasi possible na mag-fade siya and mag-rust siya eventually. Although this one, this is okay. And maganda sa kanya is, meron siyang nose pads. So, ma-adjust siya sa face ninyo. For the lenses, kung mapapansin nyo, pag minove natin siya, you can see the greenish tint. So, that's the coating. So, meron siyang konting yellowish tint. Then, let's wear it. So, pag sinuot mo siya, may makikita kang yellow tint. At the same time, yung contrast niya, hindi ganun kaganda. So, yung binabasa kong letters doon, medyo nag-blur siya nung sinuot ko to. Then, let's try out. So, meron naman siyang anti-reflection. Hindi siya masyado ganun kamasakit sa eyes. I'll show you how it feels. Dito. Some of the light are being reflected back. Some of the light nagpa-pass through. Although, may konting silaw pa rin pag sinusuot siya. So, mamaya, itetest na natin ito under the microwave. So, I will put a letter B. Yung isa lang. This is baobab. Ang i-surface naman natin is this one. Ito yung check natin. So, nilagay natin yung markings on the back para hindi maghalo-halo yung lenses natin. The next eyeglasses is from Summer Eyewear. I got this overseas. So, sa China pa siya galing. This is 269 pesos. It comes with a packaging. Although yun lang, medyo maliit yung packaging niya with the frame. So, hindi siya kasha. Pero pwede siguro gamitin to sa ibang eyeglasses. For the microfiber niya, mas manipis pa ito guys. With this type of cloth, hindi din siya advisable gamitin for the glasses kasi may possibility na matanggal or magasgas yung cooking natin. This is the frame. For the material of the frame, this is rubberized. So, maganda naman siya. So, even if you are acidic, hindi agad-agad ito mag-fade. I like the feel of the frame. It's kind of sturdy. And again, it has a nose pads. Although yun lang, medyo malambot yung nose pads niya. So, possible mabilis matanggal ito. Now, for the lenses. So, kung mapapansin niyo, upon first look, anong nakikita niyong color? It's color white. Diba? So, it has no coating. According sa claim ni Eyesummer right here, meron siyang anti-fatigue and anti-radiation, anti-blue light glasses. Pero dito, sa lens natin, it's just an uncoated lenses. And let's test it. So, sa kanya, hindi naman niya nabago yung contrast. The letters are the same. Although, pag nag-shine na tayo ng light, yun lang. I'll show you guys. So, ito. Kung mapapansin nyo, kita nyo, dineflect lang niya yung light dun sa lenses. So, hindi niya talaga ni-reflect back, hindi din niya filter out. Parang ang ginawa niya, when you shine a light, yung blue light, kumalat lang siya dun sa lenses. So, habang suot mo siya, tapos nag-deflect ka ng light, definitely it would be blurry. Pero, kung titingnan nyo ha, itetest natin siya dito sa sinasabi nilang blue light glasses. So, when we shine a light here, wala siya. Kasi, ang nangyari niyan, parang kinalat niya yung lahat ng blue light dito sa lens na to. Kaya, hindi siya tumagos dito. Which is not good kasi, di ba, meron nga tayong tinatawag na good blue light and the bad blue light. Pagka na-shinean siya ng light, lumalabo yung vision mo while wearing the glasses, which I think might lead to more eye strain and more headache. Ang concept kasi nung lens na to, para kang kumuha ng plastic, tapos, pinupi-tupi mo siya. Di ba, pag ginanon mo, kumalat siya. Nakita niyo guys, parang same effect siya nung light dito. Same. Now, we are going to test it here. See? Oh, diba? Wala din. So, ganun yung concept nung blue light filter na to. That's why this is not really an effective way to test your blue-coated lens. And this is again from Eyesummer. So, lalagyan natin ng Eyesummer. Our third eyeglasses is from Optics. I got this for 299 pesos. And ito yung packaging niya guys. So, it's nice. Then, meron siyang hard case. Ooh, ito maganda yung design. Uso ngayon, di ba, ang rose gold. Guys, if acidic kayo, don't go for this type of frame kasi this will definitely rust and would react to your skin and perspiration. If I would rate it, this is very fashion, guys. Kaya lang, mahihirapan kayong magpalit ng prescription. So, kunyari, may grado kayo, tapos gusto nyo palitan yung lenses, medyo mahihirapan lang kayo magpalit ng lens. Kasi, may string siya. So, goodbye to all the glitters if talagang pinatanggal niyo siya. Then again, meron siyang nose pads din. So, ang claim niya is, it has computer anti-radiation. So, kung mapapansin natin sa lenses niya, wala siyang bluish or greenish reflection. So, this is just an ordinary lens. Yeah. Tingnan nyo guys, meron siya konting yellowish tint. Pag sinuot natin siya, dahil sa yellowish tint niya, medyo nag-iba yung contrast ng mga letters na binabasa ko. Then, nakita nyo guys. So, I will also show you guys. Ayun. So, ang nangyari, same siya with eye summer, dineflect lang niya internally yung blue light sa loob. So, habang suot ko siya, yan. Ang nakita ko na lang is the blue light. Nag-blur lahat no vision ko. But the wiper niya, ito yung magandang microfiber. Thick yung feel niya and very silky and very smooth. So this is a good type of microfiber. So again, this is from Optics. So lalagyan natin siya ng letter K. Okay. Our fourth eyeglasses is from, this is one of the most requested brand. This is from Shigetsu. I got this for 299 pesos. So it comes with a box. So ito siya. Then inside the box is yung case niya. So meron siyang leatherette case, which I like. Tapos meron pa siyang pouch sa loob. So this is a microfiber pouch. And meron siyang Shigetsu card. And meron siyang tester. In fairness, maganda yung tester niya. So for the feel of the frame, this is sturdier compared to all the frames kanina. Hindi siya nag-wave. It has a matte finish. So dito. Then it has a nose pad as well. Although yun lang, medyo malambot din yung nose pad niya. Ang claim ni Shigetsu, it has anti-radiation and anti-blue light. High quality hinges. Yes, it has quality hinges naman. Designed by a Japanese, and it protects your eyes from computer radiation. For the lenses, sabi niya may anti-radiation, pero pag titingnan natin directly yung lenses, meron ba kayong nakikitang blue light reflection? Wala. Ang nakikita natin is white reflection. Then let's check kapag may yellow. Yes, may konting yellow tint siya. Sabi natin. Yun lang, yung lenses niya mabilis kapitan ng smudge. So kung mapapansin niya, bunasan muna natin bago suotin. I like the feel of the frame kasi kapit siya dito sa ears ko. Although, check natin with the light. So, kapag suot mo siya, tingnan mo ha. Diba, nag-blur yung mukha ko. Hindi na ako makita. So, yun lang yung isang downside because this is an ordinary lens. I really don't think it has blue-coated lenses. Pero ito-test pa rin natin siya later on under the microwave. So, lalagyan natin siya ng letter S. Or fear. So, hindi ganun kaganda yung microfiber niya. As you can see, medyo see-through siya and medyo magaspang. So, this would definitely scratch your lenses. Pero ito, this is a good microfiber. So, our second to the last eyeglasses is from, this is from Peculiar and Odd. This is one of the most requested brand as well. So, ito yung meron sa loob ng packaging niya. It has a plastic case with a brand on it. It also has a blue light tester and the blue pen. Now, let's see the frame. I got this for 349 pesos. So, ito yung frame niya. This is how it looks, guys. Hindi lang nga siya ganun ka-sturdy compared dun sa mga ibang glasses natin kanina. And as you can see, this is definitely not a stainless steel. So again, kapag acidic kayo guys, don't go for metal frames, go for plastic frames. Kasi this might rust after a few months. Yung nose pads niya medyo malambot din. Tingnan muna natin yung mga claims ni Peculiar and Odd. Sabi niya, it has anti-radiation and blue lenses. Kapag tinapat mo siya sa light, it has blue reflections. Then, it helps with digital equipment. It has quality acetate guarantee, which wala akong nakikitang acetate on the side. May iba kasi yung ginagawa, pinapabalutan niya ng acetate plastic para kahit pawisin ka, pwede ka mag-metal frame. Isa pang claim niya is it has triple protection, which sa optical industry kasi hindi namin ginagamit ang term na triple protection. So, I really don't know ano yung mean niya by that. So, sabi pa niya, it has good features against scratches, reflections, smudges, dust, and water. Although, for the dust and the smudges, kita niyo, puro smudge na din siya. So, yung claim niya na yun is not true. Ito pala yung wiper ni Peculiar. It's not as see-through compared to the other one, pero medyo magaspang din kasi yung wiper niya. So, I really don't recommend using this one. Papakita ko pala sa inyo. It has a yellow tint. Then, pag sinuot, tingnan natin yung mangyayari sa contrast. Hindi naman lumabo yung mga letters, pero medyo nagbago yung contrast slightly. Then, let's check kapag shinayin natin ng light. Oh, yun lang. I'll let you see, guys. Let's look at my face. Diba? Ang labo ko. Pero, let's test it again under the microwave. So, this is Peculiar and Odd. Last item we got from Lazada is from Metro Sunnies PH. I got this for 650 pesos because I got the constraint nila. Ang bigat sa loob kong bilhin siya kasi ito yung pinakamahal, diba? Wala pa dun yung shipping fee, just the frame. So, ito yung packaging niya. Maganda naman yung box, pero wala siyang hard case for 650 pesos. Yung iba nga, may hard case siya. Wala. Pero, meron ka namang, meron kang notepad. And meron ka daw voucher, 150 peso voucher. Medyo magaspang din yung wiper niya. The feel of their wiper is almost the same with the Peculiar brand. But this one, yung lalagyan niya na to, ito yung smooth. Pwede siya for the lens. So, ang clean ni Metro Sunnies, it has Versary Ultra Lightweight frame. Which is, yes, ultra lightweight naman siya. So, for the quality of the frame, I'm not sure if this is Ultem, pero kung binabend siya, yun naman. Bendable naman din. And ito yung another type of nose pads niya. So, yung nakadikit na dun sa frame. And the good thing about this is it has Asian fit nose pads. Meron pa nga iba mas mataas eh. So, ang tawag natin dito is Asian nose fit. So, for the lenses, let's check. Yes, you can see the bluish tint reflection. Then, let's wear it. Meron din siyang yellowish tint. Then, we'll check with this one. So, ito, hindi naman niya totally na blur. Better ito compared with the other one kanina. So, I'll let you see. Yan. O, diba? So, kita niyo pa rin ako. Then, mamarkahan din natin siya. This is from Metro Sunnies. So, the next eyeglasses that I'm going to show you is my personal eyeglasses. I got the lenses from Hoya. So, this is made in Japan. The look of my eyeglasses. This one. And ito yung authenticity card ng lens ko. It is from Seiko. Although, ang in-order ko kasi dito is the ultra thin one. And hindi ko in-order yung blue coated. So, it's multi-coated. Medyo mataas lang yung grado ko guys. So, baka medyo mahilo kayo pag yan. So, kita niyo yung mukha ko. Tapos, shine natin. Kita niyo yung reflection ng blue light. This is from Metro Sunnies. Yan siya. Then, this is from Eye Summer. Okay. So, this is from Baobab. Yan siya. This is from Peculiar and Odd. This is from Shigetsu. This is from Hoya. And Optics. Now, for the second part of the review, we are going to do the sound check of the lenses. So, ang gagawin natin, we are going to pop out one lens, then ibabato natin siya. Papakinggan natin yung tunog na ma-form ng lens na to. Somehow kasi it will give you an idea on the quality of the lenses that you have. So, this is from Peculiar and Odd, yung tinanggal natin. This is from Baobab. This is from Eye Summer. This is from Shigetsu. This is from Shigetsu. This is from Metro Sunnies. Ito lang categorized optics. Hindi ko siya matanggal kasi we need a special instrument for this one. So, yeah, hindi ko siya matatanggal. Sorry. Then, i-compare natin siya with this one. Next one is from Peculiar and Odd. Next one is from Metro Sunnies. Next one is from Baobab. Next one is from Eyesummer. Next one is from Shigetsu. Last one is from Hoya. So for the last part of this video, we are going to test out the quality of our lenses under the microwave oven. So we are going to test out the quality of these lenses upon exposure to microwave energy. So, this is the end result, guys. So, don't do this at home kasi medyo mabaho talaga yung effect ng coating under the microwave heat. So, I'm gonna show you guys ano yung nangyari sa mga lenses natin. So, ito yung naging result ng lenses natin. This is from Metro Sonys. Next is from Baobab. Okay. Result ng Baobab natin. This is from Shigetsu. This is from Eyesummer. Kay Eyesummer, wala masyadong nangyari. Look. See? This is from Peculiar and Odd. This is from Hoya. So, walang nangyari kay Hoya. Actually, ito din yung ginamit ko from the last time. So, hindi siya talaga nag-warp. Then, this is from NPC. So, clear. So, I know a lot of you guys have already watched this video and you are thinking why I have to take it down and re-upload it again because I have to redo this experimentation part. I was told that I wasn't being fair with the lenses because I used a graded lenses and compared it with a non-graded lens. So, iba talaga yung magiging reaction niya, lalo na ang taas ng grado na ginamit ko. I used a -7 grade that time and it was really thick. Kaya ganun yung naging reaction niya with the microwave oven. It's because of the lens material and it's because of the lens thickness kaya nag-react siya ng ganun with the microwave heat. So to be fair with all the lenses, I have to use a non-graded optical lens versus the online glasses that I ordered. Dun kasi sa mga online glasses natin, these are all non-graded lenses. That's why I got 2 lenses from the optical industry na non-graded din siya. This is from Hoya. So this is yung blue filter lens ni Hoya. This one is from NTC. This is a local brand. So ito, kung mapapansin yung greenish yung tint niya, this is the UV420 ni NTC. So this is comparable to the blue filter lenses. So again, disclaimer lang guys, this video is not sponsored. Hindi ako affiliated with any of the brands, with any of the lens suppliers. I order from them. So last time, ang ginamit ko for the experimentation is the right lens. So ngayon, gagamitin naman natin yung left lens natin. I would also like to give credit to the CEO of Optical Dynamics Philippines, Dr. Gina Akla, kasi sa kanya nanggaling yung idea kung paano natin iti-test out yung mga blue-coated lenses natin without using a spectral analyzer. So hintayin nyo guys yung part 2 ng video namin kasi we are going to actually test out these lenses under the spectral analyzer. Hindi lang ako makaluwas pa ngayon because of the typhoon and you know, the husband is very caring. Ayaw niya ako mabasa ng ulan kasi baka daw dumami ako at hindi niya ako kaya i-handle. So thank you very much for watching till the end with me. This is the part 1 of our honest review for the blue-coated glasses sold online. If you have any questions, suggestions, you may comment down below and I will answer them for you. Watch out for the part 2 of this video and it will be interesting as well. Stay safe and dry everyone.